Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered why your breath isn't as fresh as you'd like? Let's break it down and fix it fast. Bad breath usually comes from one of 5 things. Bacteria build up in your mouth, especially on your tongue, dry mouth from not enough saliva, poor dental hygiene, certain foods or drinks, or underlying issues like gut or sinus problems. Most people fall into the first 3, so let's tackle those first. First, brush your teeth twice a day, but don't rush it. Take 2 full minutes and make sure you're brushing your tongue, gently but thoroughly. Your tongue is a major source of odor-causing bacteria. Second, floss every single day. If you're not flossing, you're missing about 1/3 of your mouth. That leftover food rots, and that's where the smell comes from. Third, get a tongue scraper. This is a game changer. Use it in the morning and at night. It pulls off the coating that builds up and causes odor. Super cheap, takes 10 seconds. Use alcohol-free mouthwash or rinse with warm salt water. Alcohol dries your mouth, which makes bad breath worse. And drink more water. Dry mouth is one of the biggest causes of bad breath, especially in the morning or after eating. Keep your mouth moist, and bacteria won't thrive. Now here's what to avoid. Sugary gum or mints. They just cover the smell, and the sugar actually feeds bacteria. Smoking obviously is a huge contributor. Coffee and alcohol both dry out your mouth and leave residue. And don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Fasting can lead to bad breath because of the lack of saliva and empty stomach acids. If you're out and about, carry sugar-free gum with xylitol. It helps produce saliva. Bring a small bottle of alcohol-free mouthwash. Some tongue scrapers fold flat and fit in a pocket or bag. And always carry water. Sipping throughout the day keeps your mouth fresh. If you've done all this consistently and your breath still smells bad, it's time to see a dentist. You might have cavities, gum disease, or tonsil stones. If your dentist clears you, talk to a doctor. Chronic bad breath could come from your gut, tonsils, or sinuses. Bad breath is common, but it's totally fixable. Clean your whole mouth, stay hydrated, and be consistent. You've got this. Now that you're equipped with daily habits for fresh breath, let's not forget the importance of regular dental checkups. Regular dental checkups are crucial for maintaining oral health. They help in early detection of issues like cavities, gum disease, and even oral cancer. By catching these problems early, you can avoid more serious health issues down the line. Make sure to visit your dentist at least twice a year for a thorough cleaning and examination. Your dentist can also offer personalized advice and treatments to keep your breath fresh and your mouth healthy. Don't skip these visits. They're your best defense against bad breath and other oral health issues. So, mark your calendar and stay on top of your dental appointments. Your mouth will thank you. Welcome back! Now that we've covered the importance of regular dental checkups, let's dive into how your diet can significantly impact your oral health. What you eat not only affects your overall health, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining a fresh and healthy mouth. First off, foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and vitamin D, help to strengthen your teeth and gums. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. Leafy greens, almonds, and tofu are also fantastic options to include in your diet. On the flip side, sugary snacks and drinks are your teeth's worst enemies. They can lead to cavities and bad breath by feeding harmful bacteria in your mouth. Try to limit your intake of candies, sodas, and other sugary treats. Instead, opt for crunchy fruits and vegetables such as apples, carrots, and celery. These not only provide essential nutrients but also act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away food particles and plaque. They stimulate saliva production, which is your mouth's natural defense against bacteria. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining not just your overall well-being, but also your oral health. Make smart food choices, and your mouth will thank you. So, keep those nutritious foods coming and stay away from sugary temptations. Your teeth and gums will be stronger and healthier for it. Welcome back. Now that we've discussed the role of diet in maintaining oral health, let's move on to another important aspect of your dental care routine: mouthwash. Mouthwash can be a great addition to your oral hygiene practice, offering numerous benefits to keep your mouth healthy and fresh. First off, mouthwash helps in reducing plaque. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth and gums. If not removed, it can lead to tooth decay and gum disease. Using a mouthwash with antibacterial properties can help reduce the bacteria in your mouth, thereby minimizing plaque buildup. Next, mouthwash is excellent for fighting bacteria. Harmful bacteria in your mouth can cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. A good mouthwash can target these bacteria, helping to keep your mouth cleaner and healthier. Another significant benefit of mouthwash is its ability to freshen your breath. Whether you're heading to a meeting or a social event, a quick rinse with mouthwash can give you that extra boost of confidence by eliminating bad breath. It's important to choose an alcohol-free mouthwash. Alcohol-based mouthwashes can contribute to dry mouth, which can actually worsen bad breath. An alcohol-free mouthwash is gentler on your mouth and helps maintain moisture, keeping your breath fresh for longer. So there you have it, the benefits of incorporating mouthwash into your daily routine. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your oral health. Remember to swish for at least 30 seconds to get the full benefits, and use it as a complement to brushing and flossing, not a replacement. Stay tuned for more tips on maintaining a healthy and fresh mouth. Welcome back, Breath Warriors! Now that we've explored the benefits of mouthwash, let's tackle a topic that's a major contributor to bad breath: smoking. Smoking is not just harmful to your lungs and overall health, it also has significant effects on your oral health. When you smoke, the chemicals in tobacco reduce saliva flow, leading to dry mouth. As we've discussed before, saliva is essential for washing away food particles and bacteria. Without enough saliva, your mouth becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, which leads to bad breath. But that's not all. Smoking leaves a residue in your mouth that can cause a persistent odor. This residue sticks to your teeth, gums, and even your tongue, making it difficult to maintain fresh breath even with regular brushing and mouthwash. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for both your breath and your overall health. The benefits are immediate and long-term. Within days of quitting, you'll notice an improvement in your breath. Over time, your oral health will significantly improve, reducing the risk of gum disease and oral cancer. If you're struggling to quit, seek help. There are numerous resources available, from counseling to nicotine replacement therapies to support groups. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to better health and fresher breath. So take that first step today. Your mouth and your body will thank you. Stay tuned for more tips on maintaining a healthy and fresh mouth. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining fresh breath. Water helps wash away food particles and bacteria, keeping your mouth moist. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle and sip regularly throughout the day. When it comes to combating bad breath, nature has some powerful allies. Let's explore a few natural remedies that can help keep your breath fresh without relying on commercial products. First up, fresh herbs like parsley and mint. Chewing on these can neutralize odors thanks to their chlorophyll content, which acts as a natural deodorizer. Simply chew a few leaves after a meal to help freshen your breath. Next, let's talk about green tea. This popular beverage is not just soothing but also packed with antibacterial properties that fight bad breath. Drinking a cup of green tea can help reduce the bacteria in your mouth, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Another effective remedy is fennel seeds. These tiny seeds have antimicrobial properties and can be chewed to help eliminate bad breath. They also stimulate saliva production, which naturally cleanses your mouth. Incorporating these natural solutions into your routine can make a big difference. Not only are they effective, but they also come with additional health benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a way to freshen up, consider reaching for these natural remedies. Stay fresh, stay natural, and keep smiling. While we often focus on diet and hygiene, there's another crucial factor that can affect your oral health: stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your breath and overall oral health. When you're stressed, you might develop habits like teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, which can wear down your teeth and lead to other dental issues. Moreover, stress can lead to poor oral hygiene practices. When life gets hectic, brushing and flossing might take a back seat, resulting in the buildup of plaque and bacteria that contribute to bad breath. But it's not just about the habits we form. Stress can also affect your body's immune response, making it harder for your body to fight off infections, including those in your mouth. This can lead to gum disease, which is another source of bad breath. Managing stress is essential for maintaining good oral health. Incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even regular physical activity can significantly improve your overall well-being, including your oral health. So, the next time you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to relax and de-stress. Your mouth will thank you for it. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy body, and that includes fresh breath. Stay calm, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Believe it or not, the state of your gut can significantly impact your breath. Gut health and oral health are closely connected, And issues like acid reflux, gut imbalances, and digestive disorders can lead to persistent bad breath. When stomach acids flow back into the esophagus, it can result in a sour taste and bad breath. This condition, known as acid reflux or GERD, is a common culprit of foul-smelling breath. Additionally, an imbalance in your gut microbiome can cause an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, which can release foul-smelling gases that travel up to your mouth. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics can support a balanced gut microbiome and reduce the chances of bad breath. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut, while fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promote a healthy digestive system. If you suspect your bad breath is linked to gut health issues, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help diagnose any underlying conditions and recommend appropriate treatments or dietary changes. By taking care of your gut, you're not only improving your digestive health but also ensuring fresher breath and a healthier mouth. Remember, good health starts from within, and a balanced gut can lead to a confident smile and fresh breath. Welcome back, breath warriors! Now that you've got the basics down, let's talk about maintaining that fresh breath all day long, even when you're on the go. Here are some easy tips to keep your breath minty fresh from morning till night. First off, start your morning right. After your usual brushing and tongue scraping, have a healthy breakfast. Foods like yogurt, apples, and leafy greens help neutralize bad breath. Avoid garlic and onions in the morning if you can. They have sulfur compounds that linger in your mouth and bloodstream, causing persistent bad breath. Throughout the day, keep your hydration game strong. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip regularly. Water washes away food particles and bacteria, keeping your mouth moist and fresh. If you're looking for a natural breath freshener, try green tea. It has antibacterial properties that fight bad breath, and it's a great alternative to sugary drinks. Chewing sugar-free gum with a xylitol between meals is another fantastic way to maintain fresh breath. Xylitol helps increase saliva production, which naturally cleanses your mouth. Just make sure it's sugar-free, as sugar can feed bacteria and make bad breath worse. Snacking smart is crucial. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away food particles and bacteria. Plus, they stimulate saliva flow, which is essential for fresh breath. And don't forget your midday oral hygiene routine. If you can, carry a travel-sized toothbrush and toothpaste to freshen up after lunch. If brushing isn't an option, rinse your mouth with water or an alcohol-free mouthwash. Some mouthwashes come in convenient pocket-sized bottles, perfect for a quick refresh. Lastly, be mindful of your diet. Foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals support overall oral health. On the flip side, limit sugary snacks and drinks, as well as strong-smelling foods like garlic and onions, especially if you have important social interactions coming up. So there you have it. Simple, actionable tips to keep bad breath at bay all day long. Remember, it's all about consistent care and smart choices. Stay fresh, stay confident, and keep smiling.